Hi, Neil here from the Dirt Floor Workshop. Today I'm just going to show you some improvements I made to my bucket for my Ruston Buycrus 10RB. Hopefully they're improvements. I put some new chains on it, and I made a new bail bar and put new chains down the side and fixed up some of the pins on the side of it. Now the old chains, I couldn't really go much from them because they were different lengths, and they were all flogged out, so that wasn't a great deal of help. Now I looked in the spare parts catalogue, and I found the part, but it doesn't really show a length, so I just had to sort of scale it off from what I've seen on YouTube. From that point there to that point there is 80 inches, and from the center of there to the center of there is 27.5 inches. And from the center of this bail bar to the center of that is 28 inches. Hopefully that's somewhere near where it should be, but if anyone has any information, just leave it in the comments section. Thanks. I also did some work on this pulley block. I made a new top link and a new pin. Put some new bolts in. I cut out the old rope guides. They look pretty sad to me. I can't believe the factory would put something like that in, but that's what came out. So I made up some new rope guides. I cut them out of 16mm plate and just beveled them with the oxy and just grounded them down. So hopefully that will work. I put a new phosphorus bronze bush in the pulley. It was pretty flogged out, and I made up some couple of new washers because the old ones didn't seem to do the job. They were 5mm, and there was too much movement in there, so I've gone to 7.25mm. So hopefully that'll make the situation a bit better. I've just got to I made up a new pin for the pulley. This is the old one. I've just got it's the new one's off getting at the heat treater's getting heat treated. So hopefully when that comes back, that'll take all the play out of it. So all I've got to do now is put these rope guides in and weld them in place, and we should be right to go. But if anyone's got any information on any of this, leave some comments for me. That'd be really helpful. Thank you.